right, we're starting off with our 2 packages of our double chocolate chip cookie dough on the bottom of our greased 9x13 aluminum pan. And now I'm just flattening these down so that there are a bottom crust in our pan. All right, so that looks perfect. Now we're gonna put that to the side, and I'm gonna bring over a medium-sized bowl, and into our bowl, we're gonna grab our softened cream cheese blocks. I have 2 blocks that are fully softened right in there. Hopefully this bowl is big enough. Next, I'm gonna add some powdered sugar. We're gonna add about 2 cups of powdered sugar. I'm just gonna eyeball it. That looks absolutely perfect. You gotta measure with your heart, people. Now we're gonna grab our pure vanilla extract and we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla, which is half of the big cap. Right in there. Beautiful. This is coming together so quickly. It's such a great dessert. I love making this for family. Now we're gonna add 2 eggs to our mixture. 1 and 2. Beautiful. It is time to get mixing. All right, and I'm using my hand mixer for an easier mixing experience, but this should come together super quick. This is just like a super simple way to make a cheesecake mixture, which I absolutely love. Cheesecake is one of my favorite desserts. So this is being made in my house quite often. And as far as the double chocolate cookie dough goes, you can use whatever cookie dough you like. You can even do a homemade cookie dough. I've made this with chocolate chip cookie dough, sugar cookie dough, and it is phenomenal every time. But we gotta make sure we get this fully mixed so that we don't have any chunks of cream cheese in our mixture. And it looks like we might need to add a little bit more powdered sugar because we don't want it to be that yellow. Oh my. All right, this looks ready and it looks so creamy and delicious. All right, let's bring back our pan. Oh, we got a little powdered sugar on there. That never hurt nobody. And it's time to put our delicious cheesecake mixture right on top of our cookie dough. Oh yeah. Now you could do a no-bake cheesecake, but it won't solidify as well as this cheesecake mixture, which is why we add the eggs, so that it can kind of become like a cheesecake bar with those cookies on the bottom, and then spread it from edge to edge.
Look at how creamy it looks.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Yum. It smells really, really good too. I'm so tempted to try it, but it has that raw egg in it, so I will hold myself back. All right, let's get nice and even layer of that creamy, delicious cheesecake. And if you sifted your powdered sugar, it would be even smoother, but I am going for quick and easy, so I never sift my powdered sugar.
I didn't even know that was a thing.
Oh yeah. All right, I know in the comments you guys are gonna call me crazy, but these were on sale this week. So we have our 3rd and final pack of those chocolate chip cookie doughs. And with this one, we're gonna go ahead and grab them individually and flatten them down just like so. And then it's gonna go right on top of that cheesecake. So we're gonna do that with every single piece of cookie dough that comes in that 3rd package and put it right on top of that cheesecake. Oh yeah. All right, let's do that super quick. All right, once our cookie dough looks like this, it is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna be in there for about 40 to 45 minutes. Oh my, this smells so incredible. You can tell when yours is done when you have some brown edges. We did let this chill for about 30 minutes. You probably could chill for longer, but I am ready to dig in. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be so good. Oh, yeah, look at that. We have our, oh my goodness. Oh, I think it probably could have cooked for a little bit longer, but I'm so excited to try this. You're joking.
Is it good?
It is so good, you guys. Wow. Cookie, cheesecake, cookie. I love it.